Are you ready to get swept off your feet by intense love, heart-wrenching drama, and breathtaking twists? These Turkish romantic series are more than just entertainment. This top 10 countdown will leave you hooked till the last second. Let's start. Number 10, A Knight's Tale, Bir Jees Masal. This magical drama revolves around Mahir, who returns to the city as a police commissioner after 20 years, haunted by the murder of his father. Determined to take revenge, his world changes when he mysteriously meets a captivating girl he nicknames Sid. As he investigates the murder, Mahir learns that the wedding of the daughter of his father's killer will be the turning point he's been waiting for. But what he doesn't know is that this night will change his life forever. Don't miss this spellbinding journey of love and vengeance. Watch A Knight's Tale. Number 9, Leela, Life, Love, Justice. Leela lost her mother at a young age and was raised by her father, only to have her world shattered when he remarried. Years later, after surviving abandonment and betrayal, Leela returns seeking revenge on her stepmother, Noon. But her plans take an unexpected turn when she learns that the man she once loved is now deeply connected to her target. A tale of redemption, heartache, and passion, Leela's story will leave you breathless. Number 8, Redemption, Ezaret. Orhun, a successful and cold businessman, learns his beloved twin sister was murdered by a trafficking gang. Fueled by rage, he targets Hira, a poor girl wrongly accused of the crime. Planning to destroy her life, Orhun brings Hira into his home. But when his mother's long-held secrets surface, everything changes, including Orhun's heart. A powerful story of revenge turning into love, redemption is a must-watch. Number 7, Broken Destiny, Toprak ile Fidan. Toprak wakes up from a 5-year coma, with no memory of his past, unaware of his fiancée Aydan or son Baran. Fidan, grieving the loss of her own child and husband, meets Toprak and is shocked. He looks exactly like her late husband. As their lives intertwine and secrets unravel, a haunting past threatens everything they hold dear. Can fate mend what destiny broke? Find out in Broken Destiny. Number 6, Windy Hill, Rujgal Tepe. Halil's life is shattered when his father is imprisoned and his family home is taken away. After losing both parents, he returns to his hometown determined to exact revenge on the Ihsan family, who destroyed his past. This is a story of pain, endurance, and the desperate fight for justice. Prepare for a storm of emotions on Windy Hill. Number 5, The Trap, Tujak. The Trap tells the gripping tale of siblings Mahir, Umut, and Umair, who plot revenge against a corrupt and powerful family. But things get complicated when Umut falls for Guns, the daughter of the man they're targeting. Torn between justice and love, Umut's journey is filled with secrets, betrayal, and impossible choices. A high-stakes game of love and lies, The Trap will pull you in. Number 4, The Fate, Yajg. What happens when two babies are switched at birth and raised by the wrong families? Years later, Umut and Doa meet again, now as rivals. But when they fall in love, the painful truth of their origins resurfaces. Now, they must choose between the families that raised them and the bond that fate created. Love or blood? Discover the answer in The Fate. Number 3, Haikran. Haikran refuses to believe her daughter died at birth. Years later, she saves a mute girl named Meleka, only to be accused of kidnapping. Cleared of the charges, she is hired as Meleka's babysitter, unaware that Melek is her lost daughter. As the bond between them grows, so does the danger from Haikran's past and the secrets of Meleka's family. A mother's love knows no bounds, Experience the emotional ride of Haikran. Number 2. Miracle of Love, Yuj Vyllk Musays. Ali Tahir was born in 1893 and died a martyr in 1921, only to open his eyes again and never age. After living 100 years in secret, burdened by time, he meets Harika, a woman whose courage rekindles his will to live. Their love defies time, death, and destiny. A timeless romance that will touch your soul. Miracle of Love awaits. Number 1. Forbidden Fruit, Yasak Elma. Ender, a cunning high society woman, hires Vyldizit to seduce her wealthy husband Halit so she can take his fortune in a divorce. But the plan backfires when Vyldizit turns the tables and marries Halit herself. Betrayal, rivalry, and power games explode in this drama that spans multiple seasons. Where passion meets ambition, Forbidden Fruit is juicy till the last drop. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable Turkish dramas that prove love can be a blessing, a curse, or both. Whether you crave deep emotional stories, timeless romance, or thrilling revenge plots, these series promise to grip your heart and never let go. So which one will you start with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more heart-pounding recommendations. Until next time, stay passionate, stay dramatic.